So, how to add mountain to your clip like this one? First, I made this mountain in Blender. If you want to see how I done it, let me know in the comments below, but let's get done. So first, duplicate the clip, then unlink the audio by right-clicking and clicking Link Clips. Go to the Fusion tab, check that your media pool is open. If your video doesn't show, look the tiny bars under the media out. Now drag the mountain from the media pool. You can rename it by clicking F2. I do the same for the video. Add merge node by clicking Ctrl plus space, type merge and drag it between bulk and media out node. Green is the foreground and yellow is for the background. This time drag the wall clip to the foreground, so in green, and the mountain clip to the background, yellow. Press Ctrl plus space and type transform. Drag it between mountain and merge node. I did rearrange the nodes. Duplicate the merge node by Ctrl plus S. Drag the merge between the transform and merge. Drag the wall clip to the merge we added. Put it to background node and transform to foreground. Now we are transferring mountain position. If the mountain doesn't show, click the tiny bars under the merge. Now click the transfer node and adjust the mountain position. You can increase the size on the right panel if needed. Click the ball under the media out. I'm gonna rearrange these a little bit. Make space between the transform and merge node. Now go up and add HSL keyer for walk and merge. Go to the pipette tool and click the sky. Now go to the matte definitions and play around with it. Now go under the transform and merge nodes. Now we are gonna add color curves. So this way we match the mountains to the scene. Play around with the color curves on your right till you're happy. Add a box blur between merge and merge. Now try to match blur with the trees behind. Next, change the strength between the timeline. Remember to press red button to add keyframes. We are doing this because the focus changes when I walk and the blur behind get bigger. And that's it. I hope it really did help you. As always, see ya!